No, Crosscounty's leaving. You just shoved me out of the way.
Class 178.
What's 7117 to Birmingham New Street?
Free code. What got me?
Oh!
Oh, free code. 4.
1588 in the back, and then catch the front recently. To Liverpool line. The train now departing at platform 7 will be at 12:51 Bravo 49 East Midlands Railway service from Nottingham to London Pancras. Triple 2017. Let's get the hell out of me! Fashion! Triple 2017 to London Pancras. That people scared the hell out of me. Oh, do you know the Aurora train? Do you know the Aurora? Oh my God. The Aurora!
It's the Aurora!
Okay, is it 12:53? No, what? 12:53. 12:53 East Midlands Railway service from London Pancras to Nottingham.
It's the new Aurora!
New Aurora coming in.
810!
810 006.
Railway
810 006 to Nottingham only. I mean, it's already, you know. Alright, it could be for your 12:55, 20:58, 6 Delta 30 rail adventure service from Wembley Loco sidings to Burton OT Wetmore sidings.
That is a class 20.
I told you.
Oh my God.
This
goes to your
Mansfield and Mansfield Woodhouse. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 5A for the 13th
sidings departed at 6 a.m. this morning.
Mansfield Woodhouse.
And it decided
Class
to come
20 diesel locomotive.
Give it a toot.
Yeah, it is a class 20.
2302, 2007.
Look at this beauty.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Flashing!
Flashing!
Hellfire! Hellfire!
This is absolute hell. Oh,
The 2205. First time ever caught in that. New Aurora train, look. This is New Aurora, see? Smells really good as well. Smells so amazing in the inside.
Actually, you know that, don't do that, just do that.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
6 cars or what?
The double meridian.
Come with you.
Double meridian. This is 222006 and 222014. 5 coaches each train, that's 10 coaches, 2 meridians.
Alright, we're staying in for the 1312 on Bravo 52 East Midlands Railway service to London to Pancras via Leicester. Platform 1, so platform something else will be a 13 to 1 Bravo 52, Eastman's Railway Service, Nottingham to London Pancras.
You got all that out of it. Holy dead.
Thank you. Ten 006 to London to Pancras via Leicester, Market Harbour and Kettering.
Okay,
And Matlock. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 4B from the 12:55 Eastman's Railway service to Matlock. Railway